We are here, we just landed in CAMIGUIN.
We're on this sick tricycle, look at that.
It looks like a jeepney, but it's a tricycle.
We're on our way to our resort now, so we'll probably see you there. Peace. And we have arrived in Bintana Mountain Resort. Like, look at this. How amazing that is. So you've got the infinity pool there. You can even get on a Kaiwa bath, guys. And then I think you can have dinner. Can you see that?
That looks sick.
It's so nice. But look at the view. The view is absolutely amazing.
You can see White Island. You see that, guys? Wow.
Alright guys, so if we come through this way, give you a little room tour. It's a huge bed. Got a cabinet, table with a kettle, and Zoe. Toilet. Oh my god, this toilet is so spacious.
So big.
Where's this switch? Look how huge this place is. And Zoe can even use the tabo.
This is the outdoor area. It's like a little balcony. We've got our very own sofa to relax in the evenings. A table, good for our drinks or any snacks, as well as a swing. Ooh. So we're here for the next 3 nights, and I can tell we're going to enjoy ourselves. That pool down there looks very tempting right now. Might have to jump in. I'm so happy to be here. CAMIGUIN has been on like the top of my list for so long, and then we were supposed to be coming here, but then obviously because of COVID it never happened, but here we are now, so I'm super duper excited to start exploring.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Okay guys, it's time to explore. First island, White Island.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free.
Alright guys, I think the best tip is to get to the actual port, to get into White Island. Put in your maps Paris Beach Resort, and then it's literally right next to the resort. And also it takes about, how long did it take us? 20 minutes?
Yeah.
It took us 20 minutes, but we were like right up the mountain.
Yeah.
But normally the boat is 450 pesos, and it's 50 pesos entrance fee per person. So we paid about 550, and then they give you a boat number, a number to call when you're ready to leave. And yeah, there's also like a, what do you call them? A safeguard?
Lifeguard.
Lifeguard. A lifeguard at the actual beach. So let's go.
Be free.
we have made it onto White Island. It took us 5 minutes.
5 minutes, not even that long.
But it's such a small boat. Every single wave, you're like, whoa. But yeah, the water looks so blue here.
It's so beautiful, guys. It's very naked.
It's literally just a massive sandbar right in the middle of the ocean, surrounded by some of the bluest water I think I've ever seen.
Yeah.
There's not too many people here, which is really good. And you basically just tell the boat when you want to go back. So we told them like an hour and a half. So yeah, let's explore. Ang ganda.
Oh my god. Look at the water, guys. You can literally see it all the way down there. So clear and blue. It's like a Gatorade, guys.
Okay guys, so Czar's just got his drone up. We walked all the way to the very end of the sandbar so that we're a little bit away from the crowds. Not that there's that many people here, but just so we've got a nice little spot to ourselves. The water is just so blue and it goes on for so long. And then you look back towards CAMIGUIN and you just see this like luscious, almost like mountain slash trees. Like it just looks so nice. I just can't get over how blue the water is. It's so nice.
god, like the water's so clear. Yeah, so clean as well. Oh my god, CAMIGUIN, I love you. This is like the best sandbar I've ever been to. It's amazing. And the water's not even that cold. Like, you can see how clear it is all the way down there. And I don't think it's even that deep. Wow. I'm blown away. I can't even believe that this place exists. I didn't even know where CAMIGUIN was until Zoe told me. Wow. It's crazy. Huh? You cut your bum? How did you do that? Oh! Oh.
I think this is worse. Let me go that way.
Oh.
Do that way.
I'm already halfway to you. Ooh. What do you think, Zoe?
I love it here.
Best place ever?
Yeah, it's definitely the best, like, naked island like Sandbar we've been to, because the water's just so blue and we've practically got the place to ourselves.
Basically. Like everyone's all the way down there. There's one group just about there, hiding. But we've got the whole beach to ourselves, basically.
Not many tourists come here, whereas like other places where there's sandbars, like during island hopping, like Siargao, pre-pandemic and pre-typhoon obviously, and then also like Coron, El Nido, you're always sharing it with so many people, but here, because no tourists really come here, very few, it's mostly just Filipinos.
Yeah, it's mainly locals.
It's just locals, yeah, so it's really nice. Honestly guys, me and Zara genuinely, we are having the best time because honestly, it's just so nice. Like, oh, and I remember seeing this from the plane yesterday and I thought, that looks amazing, I can't wait to go. And here we now are, and it's just endless, crystal clear blue water, and I just feel so lucky to be here. It's so nice. And then CAMIGUIN is right there with all the trees and the fog and the clouds. So guys, the sand is much softer, the opposite side to the side we've been on, which is that side. So
it's more calm as well.
Yeah, and the water's not as wavy.
To be fair, there's not even that much corals here.
Yeah? We picked the wrong side. Nice?
But yeah, it's nice, but it's not as blue as the other side. Oh, I'm sinking.
See, the sand here you just sink, whereas over there it's just coral.
Alright guys, so the White Island was amazing, but now we are off to the soda pool. Let's go. I've never even been to a soda pool. Like, what even is it? Why is it called soda pool? We'll find out. Let's go.
Okay guys, so we've arrived at
Bora soda pool.
That's the one. And it is 75 pesos for a tourist and 50 pesos for a local. By local they mean from CAMIGUIN, right?
From CAMIGUIN.
So if you're from CAMIGUIN it's only 50 pesos.
I tried to get a local price by speaking in Bisaya, but it didn't work.
Let's see what this soda pool is about.
It's quite nice guys, like look, it's basically just a swimming pool.
I'm thinking, is it going to be like
cold
sparkling water?
I'm going to try and drink it.
Are you?
I'm joking. But apparently it does, it's like a sparkling water.
Really? Is that what he said?
No, that's what, you know the guy that I got the motorbike from, he told me that it's called a soda spring because it's like a soda, it's like a sparkling water, so it's like bubbling.
So it's going to be fizzy.
But it's fresh water.
Let's see then.
Alright, I'm going to jump in the soda.
Woo!
That's quite refreshing. It's nice. Like you can actually see it bubbling. Look, look.
Oh yeah, like
that's so cool. If you come to CAMIGUIN, make sure to check. Attempt of murder.
Okay guys, so that was super refreshing. It's really nice here. It's so calm and like really good spot. But I think we're gonna just dry off a little bit before we go onto the motorbike again, and then we're gonna head to the waterfall called Tuasan Falls. So we're just gonna dry off and then we'll head there. So we'll see you at Tuasan Falls. Arrived at the parking area. We've already got to Tuasan Falls there. Look at that view though. Mountain with all the coconut trees.
Czar, C-Z-A-R. Alright guys, so it's 75 pesos to get in per person, and it is quite a long walk actually. It's about a 2-minute walk and then you're there.
Wow.
But we got the waterfall all for ourselves. There's literally no one here. So cool.
This waterfall is insane. Wow. We had it to ourselves for a good 30 minutes, but now the crowds have come.
Yeah, we're so lucky.
I can see why though, it's such a good waterfall. Thoughts on this waterfall?
It's absolutely amazing. I've put it on my top 2. I'm still not sure whether that's better than Kawasan Falls or not, because we haven't been to Kawasan Falls after the typhoon.
You've also got like a smaller pool here that I think is shallower. Okay guys, so we have had an amazing morning. Okay, it's 2 o'clock now. It's an amazing
Day?
half day. Exploring. We've seen 3 spots, but we can't see it all at once because we've got 7 days here. That's just scratching the surface. There's so much more to do.
I can't wait for tomorrow as well, guys. Well, we haven't really properly decided what to do, but some of the activities lined up, I really can't wait.
Yeah, so make sure to keep watching this entire CAMIGUIN series. But right now we're gonna head back to the hotel.
Alright guys, we just got at the pool. So we're just gonna get ready now. This place is an absolute paradise. It's beautiful. So we're just gonna get ready. We're gonna go and get some dinner. We're gonna have an early dinner because it gets very dark and foggy. And we are back in the resort. The food was so nice. I had a burger.
I had some quesadillas.
It was amazing. Alright, so we're going to end the vlog there. Make sure to like,
share,
subscribe,
leave a comment down below,
and press that notification bell on.
Bye!
Peace!
Okay, we nearly forgot to shout out the person who guessed the destination first. They did guess it on the 2nd attempt, but no one guessed it first attempt. So the shout out in today's video goes to Bisaya Kaayo. So well done for guessing that we are in CAMIGUIN.